Comet's nucleus, a journey into space terminology. Hello, everyone. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of space terminology. We'll be exploring the fascinating phrase, Comet's nucleus. Whether you're a space enthusiast or just curious about English language nuances, this video is for you. Let's dive in. The phrase, Comet's nucleus, is made up of two words, comet and nucleus. A comet is a celestial body that orbits the Sun, known for its bright, glowing tail. The word nucleus, in this context, refers to the core or the central part of something. So, the comet's nucleus is the solid core or heart of a comet. This is where most of a comet's mass is concentrated. The comet's nucleus is crucial in understanding comets. It's composed of ice, dust, and rocky materials, and is often described as a dirty snowball. When a comet approaches the Sun, the heat causes the nucleus to release gases and dust, creating the comet's distinctive tail. This process, called outgassing, makes comets visible and fascinating to observe. Let's see how to incorporate Comet's nucleus in our conversations or writing. For example, scientists are studying the comet's nucleus to learn more about the early solar system. The Rosetta spacecraft landed on a comet's nucleus, a groundbreaking achievement in space exploration. And there you have it. We've explored the phrase, Comet's nucleus, delving into its meaning, significance, and usage. I hope this video has illuminated a little corner of the vast universe of English language learning for you. Keep looking up and exploring new terms. Until next time, happy learning!